If the comment is not relevant, wag mo nang ilagay. The Director X mentioned that the loan grant to this company, he's afraid that they may not be able to pay because he knows the president that this person is a womanizer and a gambler. Okay. Will you put that in the minutes? Or you just put the director had some concerns on the management of the company. Ganun lang. You don't have to put there na babaero at sugarol, di ba? You omit those comments, but you somehow encapsulate them in other words.